Hello, so this is what you have to do to make up for the class. So first go to Unit 2, bring it Social Linguistics into a Word Language Classroom. There, yes, here we have section 3 and 4. So the first thing that we did, of course, please send me the mind map. I have to check it. Don't upload it there, send me to my email. Today, please. And we have finished the workshop 1, so we're going to workshop 1, download this. When you download it, you're going to find this document, this one. This one is the complete one that we've been using, okay, the workshop 1. So you're going to go down, down, because we're missing one thing. The only thing that we're missing was this last point. I'm going to show you, go down, so that's the workshop 1. There, look. This one we already did it. Everyone in the Excel uploaded the information. I just shared the link of the Excel with information. And this is what you have to do. Part 2. He says, you will analyze your partner. I mean, you're going to do it individually. Analyze the information provided by your partners. Read the instructions are very clear. At the end, you have to make a PowerPoint presentation and record a video with the presentation. 5 minutes presentation because just one person, where you present the results. To record a video, you can use a Screencast-O-Matic or anything that allows you to record. Once you record it, send it to me. So that's the first activity that you have pending, okay? The second activity is now this is workshop 2. In the workshop 2, where do you get the workshop 2? Go to resources, here descargar, and there you just download workshop 2. Yes, the workshop 2. Here it is. Follow the instructions. This is very clear. In pairs, I mean, you share your mind maps. In your case, talk about your mind map. So this part is missing. So in that case, there's nothing we can do. You will do the second part. Based on what you read in the chapter, I mean, chapter 10, what is a social linguistically informed response for you? I forgot. We made that correction that day. Informed response for you. So you're going to go to Padlet, write your name, and make that comment. Then the second part, follow the instruction. You're going to do the exercise A. Okay. Exercise A. And in this one, you send it to me. The video, you send it to me. And exercise C, how you going to do it? Once you finish B, and you send me the video, I am going to send you the video of one of your partners. And you're going to do this. Okay? So this, you will send it to me in a text. D, don't do D. So in this case, this one, you'll send it to me in a text. So just follow the instructions. They're very clear, step by step of what you have to do. The information, the scenarios are here. These are the scenarios. This is a link that you can watch. You have to choose one. Just follow the instructions and send the information to me. That's what we did. No more. Don't touch anything else. That's where we are at this point. So you have until next Monday evening to send me this information, okay? If you have any questions, let me know. But just follow the instructions and the video.